Okay, everybody, here we go with Battlestar mystery boxes unboxing. This first one is just a box that I ordered that came with it. Kind of cool stuff inside there. I thought I'd show that to you first. And then we'll get to the actual unboxing of the Battlestar guns, see what I got, if I got a JG or anything good. Alright. First off, 9/11/2001, never forget patch. And then the sick Airsoft G.I. Battlestar stickers. 4 of those because I wanted them. And let's see what we got in here. Hopefully something better than JG. Maybe a PDW would be really nice. Looks like a G at SR16, which means it's a JG. Metal Gearbox Advanced Model SR16 M4. JG series upgrade version. Blah blah blah. At least it's a. There's the rail covers that come with it. Some standard BBs. A couple little tools. Comes with charger for the battery. 1500 milliamp nickel pack. And plastic receiver. Nice metal rail system. I might change that out and put it on one of my other guns. Not too bad. Flip up sights. Alright. So that's number 1. I will get to number 2 here in a few minutes. Have that up for you guys. And I'd like to see what else I got. Alright, thanks for watching.